In this video, we are going to assemble the tire candy dome. So this is to go along with a racing card that I developed. Right now, I need to look. I'm looking for my white ink so that I can ink the edges of this. Here it is. Okay. So we have these two pieces which make up the back, and then the front has these four. And we're just going to start by putting the back pieces together and then the front pieces together. These candy domes are super quick projects to work on. And can really just be the finishing touch on a party. And if you were to make these like for a race theme party for a little boy or even a little girl, they're super quick and easy. They're impressive. People will think you spent a lot more time putting together your party favors than you actually needed to. So now I'm just putting the glue here on this piece because it has all the cutouts in it. I like to glue the front and back pieces together first before I put the dome in, because it just makes doing the dome part a lot easier. So there's that piece. I'm going to put these two together. This one is either your white wall or your hubcap, whichever one you want it to be. But I am going to, because this is black on black, I'm going to ink the edges of this with my white so that it will stand out. It's a really old ink pad, so I'm just kind of being sloppy with it. And you can see how that helps that pop out a little bit. Now for my candy domes, unlike Tracy's are done differently. I like to use the mini cupcake holders because they open. And so we do that by putting that here and then gluing this into place like this. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the bottom of this just to help it stay put. And then essentially just going to add the glue to the tire part of this You want to get your glue heavy enough that you can mold your paper around this dome. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it, centering that up in there. And I'm going to add my candies. I have some blue sixlets. I don't know why I used duct tape to hold that closed. Did a very good job. Might have a few too many in there. That's better. Okay, and then you just pop that on. So there is the tire candy dome. Thank you for joining me.